Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add a contact on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to add contacts on WhatsApp, first you need to know that is we can add contacts on WhatsApp from two ways. Either we can save the contact to the phone's contact list over here by typing in their number and saving that contact to phone, and they will be available on WhatsApp if they have signed up for a Viber account over here on the contact list. And you can see guys, they will be available over here like this. Or if you have saved that number but they have not installed the Viber, then they will also be over here, but the invite button will be on right side of that contact instead of the normal one. And you can also save that contact to WhatsApp from over here by guys just going to the calls. If on chats, go to calls, and there you can see the phone and the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that and tap on the new contact button you can see over here, and you can save that contact over here by typing in first name and the last name, and after that the phone number and the account on which you want to save to phone or any other account. And after that tap on save, and then the contact will be saved on WhatsApp. But similarly, if they have signed up for WhatsApp, they will be available like this, but if not, they will be available with the invite button at the right side. And with that being said guys, this is how to add a contact on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.